I'm Tamara. I am a mum of 2 and I have a 3-year-old boy who is a medically complex kid. I personally vaccinate my children to aim to protect them from being admitted, worst case ending up in ICU, or even worst case losing them. So with him I've had 2 extremely scary moments. The common cold, rhinovirus, he was intubated and on the helicopter to Starship where he spent 5 to 6 days in PICU requiring life support. We have made sure we've kept him up to date all the way along with all of his vaccines. It's about protecting everyone, not just your children. Talk to your Hauora Māori community provider, GP practice, to make an informed decision about immunisations. Discuss any concerns you have and feel free to make an appointment if immunisation is right for you and your whānau. Hāpaitia Ngā Whānau. Let's uplift the wellness of our whānau.